Hello everyone. In these small videos, I wanted to show you how you can use a Python remote execution module inside Unreal and another DCC to create kind of a link between the two. So what we're going to do here is to apply HDA, Houdini HDA, on a static mesh inside Unreal from the content browser. So you can see I've prepared a very simple data. It's just a plane, static mesh plane, no fancy data on it. You have no vertex paint and it's quite flat. And what we're going to do here is to apply noise on it and add some vertex data. So you can just select the mesh, right click, Houdini, apply Houdini noise. And you can see here you have like a bunch of settings popping up to set up your noise. You click OK. Under the hood, the Houdini session will be spawned, run the HDA, and close the widget. And now you can see you have your new geometry, your new data updated, and you have also vertex paint available. You can rerun it, of course, if you need to. If you click debug here, it's just it will save a heap file under the hood, and it will slow down a bit the process to see what's happening in the log. So you can see here the widget is spawned, the log is displayed, and when it's done, it closes. So about the asset, nothing fancy. It's really just reading the FBX from Unreal using Python remote call, applying some noises, do some vertex color, and write the FBX back to Unreal. So just to summarize, I did a small overview of the pipeline. So you select your asset inside Unreal, and thanks to the editor action blueprint with the right-click menu, you can, using Unreal Python, gather the data you need. So what assets have been selected, what blueprints you want to spawn as a UI, what settings do you want to use. So all that is data-driven, is a simple struct to update. With all those data, you can then spawn a Houdini session, so Python in that case. And then when you are inside Houdini, session is just a bunch of remote calls saying, okay, show me the widget in Unreal. So it pops up the widget, it returns the widget ID back, gives the widget ID back, and then it will import the FBX from a U asset, update the log every time if need to, process the HTA, so just cook it, and then with a remote call again, export the FBX back to Unreal in a U asset, and the last call is close the widget when you're done, and it will be closed inside Unreal. And then you get your asset updated. So that's pretty much it for that video. It's, of course, it's Python only, so it's DCC agnostic. I can see like quite easily to be able to use that pipeline, for instance, for Blender GeoNode or any other DCCs. It's really just a bunch of Python calls. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you think about that in the comments.